Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we are diving into stylish wooden mirror frame ideas to elevate your home decor. Whether you love rustic charm, modern minimalism, or nature-inspired accents, wooden mirror frames are a timeless way to add warmth, depth, and personality to any room. We'll explore beautiful and creative designs that not only reflect your style, but also become statement pieces on your walls. So, get inspired and discover how a simple wooden frame can transform your space into something truly stunning. At Kuki Décor, we believe that home decor is more than just filling a space. It's about expressing your personality, your style, and your love for natural beauty. One of the most underrated yet powerful design elements you can use to enhance your interior is a wooden mirror frame. These timeless accents are not only functional, but also bring warmth, texture, and an organic feel to any room they grace. Whether your aesthetic leans rustic, modern, vintage, minimalist, or bohemian, wooden mirror frames offer endless opportunities to elevate your home decor in a meaningful and stylish way. The charm of wood lies in its versatility. It can be polished and sleek or raw and rugged. Each grain, knot, and texture tells a story, and when shaped into a mirror frame, it becomes a piece of art that reflects both your image and your taste. Stylish wooden mirror frames come in many forms, from large statement pieces to smaller, subtle accents. In an entryway, a bold, live-edge mirror framed in rich walnut or reclaimed barn wood instantly sets the tone for the rest of your home, making guests feel welcomed by its earthy elegance. In a living room, a circular or sunburst-shaped wooden frame can soften the straight lines of furniture while adding an eye-catching focal point. Wooden mirrors above fireplaces, sideboards, or couches not only create visual interest, but also open up the space by reflecting light, making the room feel larger and more inviting. For the bedroom, a full-length wooden framed mirror adds both function and natural sophistication, while smaller mirrors above dressers can be styled with candles, plants, or artwork for a cozy and cohesive look. At Kuki Décor, we especially love how wooden mirror frames can tie into other natural elements like indoor plants, woven baskets, rattan furniture, or stone surfaces. It creates a layered, organic aesthetic that's both calming and chic. For a farmhouse-inspired look, distressed whitewashed wooden frames bring a sense of vintage charm and country coziness. On the other hand, if you're going for a modern, Scandinavian feel, a smooth light oak or beechwood frame with clean lines can maintain that minimalist vibe while adding just the right touch of warmth. If you're drawn to boho or eclectic decor, try carved wooden frames with intricate patterns, or mix and match various wooden mirrors to create a gallery wall of reflections, each with its own unique tone and shape. Another wonderful idea is upcycling or DIYing your own wooden mirror frame, which not only saves money, but also adds a deeply personal touch to your home. Reclaimed wood from old doors, pallets, or furniture can be turned into stunning frames that carry both history and sustainability. Adding embellishments like rope, driftwood, carved details, or even a splash of natural stain can elevate a simple mirror into a handcrafted masterpiece. Plus, making your own frame lets you tailor the size, shape, and finish to perfectly match your space and style. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just starting out with small DIY projects, wooden mirror frames are a rewarding way to practice creativity and enhance your home with your own hands. One of the best parts about wooden mirror frames is how they adapt to seasonal decor changes. In the spring and summer, they pair beautifully with greenery, florals, and light fabrics like linen or cotton. In the fall, they complement warm tones like burnt orange, mustard, and deep red, adding a cozy rustic vibe. And during the winter, surrounding your wooden mirror with fairy lights, candles, or pine garlands can turn it into a festive, glowing centerpiece. No matter the time of year, a wooden mirror frame remains a reliable and stylish anchor for any decor theme. If you're working with a small space, mirrors with wooden frames are your secret weapon. Not only do they reflect natural light and visually expand the room, but their organic material adds depth and character that synthetic frames just can't replicate. In tiny bathrooms or hallways, a narrow rectangular wooden mirror can create the illusion of height, while circular or oval frames soften the sharp corners of tight areas. Wall-mounted wooden mirrors can also save space while providing a decorative element that doesn't take up floor space, ideal for apartments, studios, or minimalist homes. In open-plan spaces, wooden mirror frames help define zones and add warmth to modern architecture. For example, placing a large mirror in the dining area framed in a dark-stained mahogany or teak instantly adds a sense of luxury and grounding, especially when paired with matching wood tones in the furniture. In contrast, a mirror framed in reclaimed driftwood over a console table can bring in a light, beachy, coastal vibe. The adaptability of wood means you can go from industrial loft to cozy cabin to Scandinavian chic without ever needing to abandon the natural material you love. And let's not forget about the artistic side of wooden mirror frames. Beyond their function, they can be sculptural and decorative in their own right. Think asymmetrical designs, geometric cuts, laser-etched motifs, or mixed media combining wood with metal or resin. These artistic variations add personality and a custom look to your interior, making your mirror not just a piece of decor, but a work of art. In fact, many interior designers use large wooden-framed mirrors as anchor pieces around which the rest of the room's design is built. Their presence draws the eye, reflects design details, and subtly enhances color schemes, all while making the space feel more connected to nature. At Kuki Décor, we are always inspired by how simple natural materials can transform a home. A wooden mirror frame is the perfect blend of form and function, rustic and refined, practical and poetic. Whether you buy one from a boutique, thrift it from a market, or make it yourself, you're not just adding a mirror, you're adding character, soul, and a story to your space. So the next time you're looking to refresh your room, don't overlook the humble wooden frame. It might just be the most stylish, natural, and heartfelt upgrade your home needs. From statement-making large mirrors to handcrafted DIY accents, wooden mirror frames are a timeless way to elevate your home decor with warmth, texture, and thoughtful design. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Décor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Décor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.